So today we left the scooters at Charcoal Palace. Since it's a good place to leave them and they know us. Say hi. And then we are headed down to the Arts and Crafts Fair down on the prom here in Calis. So that's that one.
I needed a spatula. Teşekkürler. Güle güle.
And being wood that can be used in any cookware.
Right? Merhaba.
I wonder if any of the restaurants have special.
Yeah, they all do.
Move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it, darling.
I wonder if that's a copyright infringement.
Maybe.
I don't know if it would be the words or the music. You need some handmade skincare products? Oh, full of yarn stuff. Look at all the pink cat.
Oh, the pink kitty. Look at the giraffe. Whoa, nice telescope.
Right?
Look at the rugs. We still haven't got one to bring back. Yeah, we need a little one.
We need a camper size.
A camper rug. Look at the boats. Don't break my spatula.
Okay.
Merhaba. Oh, nice. Oh, it's a Mardi Gras mask.
I wonder where they
Oh, look at all the musical instruments. This is cool.
These are all handmade, and he's the same guy that sells them at the boot sale that's usually
Look at that.
on the road behind the thing.
Aren't those neat?
Doesn't Riley need a drum?
You better ask Junior about that one.
They even have guitar strings.
Look at these. These are amazing. Look at that.
That is cool.
Very cool. All handmade. These are all handmade crafts. Well, they're supposed to be anyway. Handmade crafts and trinkets.
And Maisie and whoever our next cat is.
Next cat?
We
No next cat.
Well, there's 3 in here.
No. Don't take this the wrong way, but when those 2 are dead, we are pet free for life.
Yep.
Hello. Everybody hanging out, getting drinks.
Did you send it to me on
Here's Puppy.
Facebook or
Bye,
what?
Puppy. Those are really beautiful.
They have Lynchburg lemonade in there.
Lynchburg lemonade. In Turkey.
I bet they don't know where Tennessee is. Or Virginia.
Look at these little ones. Gosh, those are gorgeous. Just beautiful stuff. Look.
That's cute. There's your hey.
Hello.
Hello. Merhaba. Oh, look at.
That's almost. There's your top. You need your
Oh, the
top.
macrame stuff? No, I don't think so. That will not fit. Octopuses. Look at those octopuses. Those are cute.
Those are cool.
There's a spider for you, Karen.
Turtle.
Turtle. Careta, careta. Oh, I love these. Merhaba, how are you?
Hello. Very good.
Very good? Good day, beautiful weather. A little windy, but that's okay. We need it with all the sun. Look at some of the ceramic. Look at the ceramic kitty.
Oh, that's kind of cool. And the flowers too. And
Yeah.
a star.
These are neat. Really cool. Look at the little mushroom ones.
Did you see the coffee cup?
I did. I did.
Oh my God.
Doggy leashes. Look at the pet center. On a laundry hanging thing. That's cool. Oh, look, the Sunday thing is going on. Oh my gosh. What?
Those are cool.
Yeah, let's do it.
Corn and popcorn.
Yes. If you ever see one of these in Turkey, just get the corn. Get the corn.
Anybody we know?
Who is that? Is that somebody we know? Kevin, is that you?
Karen dipped them in acid to just eat the flesh away fast.
They lived in the camper too long together.
Espresso cups.
Ooh.
Because there's nowhere near big enough for coffee. There's a tea for you.
Merhaba. Nasılsınız?